Welcome to the channel. So today I am doing a quick review of a Airfix Prairie locomotive. I'll put the number up on the slide. This was bought quite a number of months ago now. I think it even might have been 2023. It was bought as a non-runner and the chimney was broken. So I thought, oh, okay, this is a nice little project. So I spent the initial part of the project was fixing the chimney, and you can see now that it has a chimney, and what that is made of is there is some photographs I'm going to add into the slides. But the chimney was, I used a brass eyelet and a washer and 2 pieces of black heat shrink to bring it all together, and some super glue I think as well. And I just weathered the top of the chimney because it was a little bit too shiny brass wise. So then I discovered why it was a non-runner, because the trailing bogie, they actually have metal rims on the plastic wheels. One of the metal rims had dislodged and was pushing against the side frame. So effectively it was working like a handbrake. So that's why it wasn't working. So I'll give it a couple of laps, let you see it in action. It's on full power. And away she goes. Now these locomotives were kind of out late 70s, 77, 78, round about there. Around at quite a pace right there. But yeah, I was really happy how I managed to fix the chimney on this, because I think it's the first time I've scratch built a chimney that was kind of half broken, and I could have painted the top of the chimney, but I decided to keep it in the brass effect because I felt would be a kind of constant reminder to me that that was a job that I successfully repaired. So yeah, nice addition to the collection with a nice repair. I think it actually adds a little something to it now. It's got that brass chimney top. So yeah, short video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.